Well, ngunyan po ay sa maabot na 2022 national election. So kay po ang tatama mismo ang mag-file bilang sarong alkalde dahil sa bagong pananaw, bagong pag-asa, bagong aksyon at bagong asenso. At para po matawan kasimbagan ang gabos sa mga pangapudan kanilang bangsaro, individual, digdi po sa Banuan. May sarili kitang plataforma de gobyerno. Primero, ang good governance na kaipuan ta mismo ipaliwanag what is heart. Kasi right na nag-agi sa pagtios ang Bangwang Tiwi, buong Pilipinas at buong mundo dahil po sa global COVID-19 pandemic na kaipuan tawan ta issue ki punto ang hearts. What is heart? Meaning, H is health. Yan po mismo, ang tututukan ta mismo ang water security, sanitation, and social welfare. So, E is environment. So, tututukan ta mismo ang issue about solid environment. Dahil yan po ang saro sa problema kang Bangwang Tiwi na yung nga po ang pagtutukan kang EMB at saka kang ombudsman. Na kaya po ang taga mismo, zero waste management. So, also, kaya po ang mismo tututukan digde ang renewable energy at the same time na makigwag sa Tiwi using the clean energy and also about the conservation. A is agriculture. We will promote about the fisheries and forestry production. At the same time, magkagawa ki livelihood ang lambang saro, lambang pamilya, or the entire community. Arts, R is resiliency. We will focus on climate change adaptation and mitigation and disaster resilience, disaster risk reduction, and that is resiliency. So we will provide mismo yung innovation and technology and transfer of technology in the municipality of Tiwi. And T is tourism. We will promote the faith tourism. Dahil ang po sa ina. Yan so sa tuyang patrones kang Albay, si Our Lady of Salvation na sa Uruan. So dapat makusog po ang faith tourism and also the farm tourism. So kapag kinumbine mo siya, they will produce livelihood and entrepreneurship. Mabubuhay po ang labang saro. So kung may agriculture kita, food security, all na pigtatopic yan, magkakaigwa ki food for the table. So using tourism, nagkakaigwa ki livelihood, employment, and among others. T is another S is sustainability. So we have to have sustainable settlement sa Banwang Tiwi at the same time. So infrastructure and utilities. So yan po ang focus, hearts. So sa hearts na yan, ay yan po ang naka-major sectors. So ano ta pa yan, ipapaliwanag ta pa yan na papararumon ta yan na para po maibaba sa lambang individual na Tiwinon. At the same time, we will work as a whole of society, whole of nation, and whole of government approach. Kita po ay basta from the NONG, RANGASA, Salcedo, and Gabos na team. So we have 8 councilors. Klaro yung matarabang iyan. At the same time, pagkusugunta ang bagong pananaw, bagong pag-asa, bagong aksyon, bagong asenso. At of course, bagong negosyo sa Lambang Saro. Thank you very much for giving me the time and opportunity and naipaliwanag me. And next time, siguro we will invite you for the presentation, platform presentation. I will introduce you all my council. Thank you.